Solving quadratic equations by quadratic formula. Many quadratic equations cannot be solved by factorization because they do not have factors which satisfy the sum and the product. For example, if we take x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, the sum has to be minus 4 and the product has to be minus 3. You will not be able to find factors. Suppose if you have product minus 3 means it can be minus 3 and 1. So when you multiply it, it is minus 3. But when you add it, it gives us a negative 2, not a negative 4. Or if you feel that you need to get a negative 4, we can write it as minus 3 minus 1. So when you add it, you get a minus 4. But when you multiply it, you get it as a plus 3. So we cannot find the factors. Such quadratic equation can be solved using the quadratic formula. The solution of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is given by x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is called as the quadratic formula. When we cannot find the factors, then we use the quadratic formula to find out our solution. Now let us see how to use this formula with the help of an example. The first question, solve 5x square minus 11x plus 4 equal to 0, giving solutions correct to 2 decimal places. Now generally in the past paper questions, when this statement is there, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places, then you must understand that we are going to apply the quadratic formula. Now when we compare this equation with this ax squared plus bx, the term before x squared is a. So our a is 5. And then the term before x is b. So our b will be equal to negative 11. The number is c. The term without an x is c. So our c is 4. So the first number is a, the second number is b, and the third number is c. Now we are going to apply it in the formula. That is minus b. So there is a minus and our value for b is minus 11. Suppose if it was a positive 11, you will write it as minus 11. You will write. Since our b itself is negative, so minus of minus 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 the whole square. Here you need to be very careful. You need to put a bracket and then a square. If you are not going to put a bracket and just like that writing minus 11 square if you do in your calculator, you will get a negative answer. But minus 11 squared is a positive answer. Minus 11 the whole square is 121. If you just write minus 11 squared, you'll get your answer as negative 121, which is wrong. So minus 4, our value for A is 5. Now the value for C is minus 4. So we write a negative 4 divided by 2 into 5. So this when we simplify negative into negative is plus 11 square root of 121. This is negative into negative is positive plus 80 divided by 10. So this will be equal to 11 plus or minus 201 divided by 10. So you will be doing your answers with your calculator as plus 201 divided by 10 and 11 minus 201 divided by 10. So this will give, just directly use the calculator. You will get your answer as 2.52 and minus 0.32. These are the two answers. And it is given that we have to give our answers to 2 decimal places. In case if you are not giving your answers to 2 decimal places, you will get 1 mark deducted. Now we'll see our initial question which we had an example as the second one, x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Now our value for a, the term before x squared, nothing is there, so it is a 1. Our b is minus 4 and our c is minus 3. Now the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it will be minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. I am just applying the values of what I have written over here. So 2 into 1. So when we simplify it, it is 4 plus or minus Directly you can use the value with the help of the calculator, and then when you simplify it, this will give us an answer of 28 divided by 2. So our both the answers will be 4 plus square root of 28 divided by 2, and it's only plus 4 minus square root of 28 divided by 2. So this will give us an answer of 4.6457 and minus 0.64575. If you have to give your answers to two decimal places, then it will be 4.65 and minus 0.65. These are the answers correct to two decimal places. Now the third question, 12 minus 5x square minus 11x equal to 0. First, let us rearrange this equation as x square plus minus 5x square minus 11x plus 12 equal to 0. Now the value for A is minus 5, the value for B is minus 11, and the value for C is 12. Now our quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when we apply it in the formula, minus 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 the whole squared minus 4 into minus 5 into 12 divided by 2 into minus 5. So when we simplify it, it is 11 plus or minus square root of 361 divided by minus 10. So this will be 11 plus square root of 361. Get the answer for the numerator and then divide by the denominator. The same way, 11 minus square root of 361 divided by minus 10. So this answer will be 3 and this will be minus 0.8. Now the fourth question, 2 over x plus 2 plus 4 over x plus 1 will be equal to 3. Now just take the LCM of the denominator, x plus 2 into x plus 1. And then this 2 has to be multiplied with x plus 1 and 4 has to be multiplied with x plus 2. That will be equal to 3. Now just multiply it inside. So it is 2x plus 2 plus 4x plus 8 divided by this x has to be multiplied with x plus 1. Then plus 2 has to be multiplied with x plus 1. That will be equal to 3. Now 2x and 4x when we add it is 6x. Then plus 10. Now multiply this inside. So x square plus x plus 2x plus 2 that will be equal to 3. Now further we'll simplify. 6x plus 10 over x squared plus 3x plus 2 will be equal to 3. Now this one cross multiplied. So 6x plus 10 will be equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 6. This 3 is multiplied with each and every term over here and we are getting this. Now shift all of it to this side. So it is 3x square plus 9x plus 6 minus 6x minus 10 equal to 0. So we get it as 3x square, 9x minus 6x is plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we can just apply our quadratic formula. A will be equal to 3, B is also 3, C is minus 4. Our quadratic formula will apply minus B. So it is only a B. So it is minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4 into A into C divided by 2 into A. So this will give us minus 3 plus or minus square root of 57 over 6. That is minus 3 plus square root of 57 over 6 and minus 3 minus square root of 57 over 6. So when we simplify it, we get our answer as 0.7583 and minus 10.5498. So it will be equal to 0.76 and minus 10.55. These are the two answers. In order to solve the quadratic equation, if you cannot factorize the equation, you can use the quadratic formula and solve them. Even the ones which you can factorize also, we can use the quadratic formula, which makes it more simpler to find out the factors. Thank you.